Humanity is preparing for a historic return to the moon with Artemis II, a mission that marks the beginning of a bold new chapter in space exploration. The excitement is palpable as the world watches the next generation of astronauts get ready to embark on this extraordinary journey. For the first time in over 50 years, astronauts will leave low Earth orbit and journey farther than anyone since Apollo. This mission will take them beyond the familiar boundaries of our planet, venturing into the vast expanse of deep space and reigniting humanity's spirit of discovery. Artemis II isn't just a test flight, it's a crucial step toward a sustained human presence on the moon and eventually Mars. The mission will demonstrate new technologies, test life support systems, and pave the way for future lunar landings and even more ambitious journeys. The 10-day mission will loop around the far side of the moon, gathering vital data on both spacecraft and crew. This unique trajectory will allow scientists to study the effects of deep space travel and lunar gravity on the human body in ways never before possible. Understanding how humans adapt to deep space is essential for future exploration. Every heartbeat, every reaction, and every challenge faced by the crew will provide insights that will help shape the missions to come. Artemis II builds on Apollo's legacy, but this time, the goal is to learn how to live and work on another world. The mission will help us develop the skills and knowledge needed to establish a long-term presence beyond Earth, ensuring that future generations can continue to explore. This mission embodies our drive to explore, pushing the boundaries of science and human endurance. It's a testament to our curiosity, our ingenuity, and our determination to reach for the stars. It will test our technology, our procedures, and ourselves, challenging us to solve problems and adapt in real time as we venture farther from home than ever before. The knowledge gained will shape the future of space travel and benefit life on Earth, inspiring new generations and driving innovation for decades to come. The Artemis II crew are not just explorers, they're also the experiment. For the first time since Apollo, we'll study the effects of deep space on the human body in real time. The crew will face higher radiation and isolation, providing critical data for future missions. Blood, urine, and saliva samples collected before, during, and after flight will reveal how space changes everything from nutrition to immune response. These samples are a biological diary, helping scientists track and counteract the risks of deep space. The findings will be key to keeping future explorers safe on longer journeys. Artemis II astronauts will wear advanced wrist sensors, designed to continuously monitor their vital signs and physical activity in real time, even as they travel far from Earth. These devices will track movement, activity, and sleep patterns, providing a detailed picture of how the body adapts to the unique environment of deep space. This data helps NASA understand how deep space affects daily rhythms, performance, and overall well-being, allowing scientists to spot subtle changes that might otherwise go unnoticed. Sleep is vital, especially when alertness can mean life or death. In space, maintaining a healthy sleep cycle is challenging, but crucial for mission success and crew safety. The crew will also collect saliva samples to monitor immune health, giving researchers insight into how the immune system responds to stress and microgravity. These samples help watch for dormant viruses reactivating under stress, a risk that increases during long-duration missions far from home. These simple tests provide early warnings of potential health issues, allowing for quick intervention before problems escalate. The information gathered will also guide future medical support for long missions, helping doctors on Earth assist astronauts millions of miles away. By comparing in-flight data to pre- and post-mission baselines, NASA can design better schedules, habitats, and countermeasures to keep astronauts healthy. Every data point collected on Artemis II helps protect astronaut health on the way to Mars and beyond, shaping the future of exploration. Artemis II is a proving ground for the future of human spaceflight, paving the way for safe, long-duration missions deeper into our solar system. Artemis II will test cutting-edge organs on a chip, tiny devices with living human cells, simulating bone marrow. These chips will reveal how deep space radiation affects our most sensitive tissues. Results will be compared to identical experiments on the ISS and Earth, isolating the effects of radiation. Each astronaut will also wear a dosimeter to track personal radiation exposure. In case of a solar storm, the crew can build a makeshift shelter using onboard materials for extra protection. This contingency plan will be tested on Artemis II, proving its value for future missions. These innovations are vital for safe, long-term exploration beyond Earth. Meet the Artemis II crew, a remarkable team that blends experience, diversity, and the spirit of international partnership. These 4 astronauts are not just explorers, they are pioneers, representing the hopes and dreams of people around the globe as humanity prepares to return to the moon for the first time in over 50 years. Commander Reed Wiseman, a seasoned astronaut and accomplished test pilot, leads this historic mission. With his leadership and expertise, he will guide the crew through the challenges of deep space, drawing on his extensive experience aboard the International Space Station. Victor Glover, the mission's pilot, brings invaluable skills from piloting SpaceX's Crew Dragon. He will make history as the first person of color to embark on a lunar mission, breaking new ground and inspiring future generations of explorers. Christina Koch, serving as mission specialist, is renowned for holding the record for the longest single spaceflight by a woman. She will also become the first woman to travel to the moon, paving the way for more women in space exploration. Canadian astronaut Jeremy Hansen, also a mission specialist, joins the crew on his first spaceflight. His participation highlights the importance of global collaboration as Canada and NASA work together to push the boundaries of human achievement. United as a team, they'll operate the Orion spacecraft, conduct vital scientific experiments, and gather knowledge that will help shape the future of lunar and deep space exploration for all of humanity. Their journey marks the dawn of a new era in space exploration, inspiring people everywhere to dream bigger and reach further than ever before. Artemis II is more than just a mission. It's the beginning of our future in deep space, a bold step toward a new chapter in human discovery and adventure.